Are you currently having problems with your portrait mode not working on your iPhone camera and you want to be able to fix this? Well, actually myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy step-by-step guide on how I was able to fix it. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your settings app. So go into your settings app on your iPhone, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on general in here, as you can see. And now on this page, as you can see, there's actually a couple of alternatives for us here to choose, but in here you're just going to click on software update. So click on software update, and it's going to be taken to this page right here. So if you currently have a software update in here, this is perfect. Then what it means that you will now actually need to get that latest update, that latest iOS update, to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. I did this myself and I was able to fix that bug, and now I have portrait mode on my iPhone camera. But if you don't have it right now, then just wait for a new update in here, and when it does come, you can just get it, as you can see, and then you will be able to fix that bug.